What's up guys, and welcome to today's episode. Today we are looking at the modification so that you can mount the front suspensions on the Wltoys 1242H 112 scale, so that you can get that kind of scale looks of the actual Polaris RZO. So as you can see, it mounts right on the front, and to make that kind of stiff look. So without any further ado, let me show you how to mount it perfectly, and it worked quite well. You know, the articulation on this car looks great, and I will show you the slow-mo of how the suspension handle the drops, the bumpy roads, and etc. So now let me remove the front hood so you can see what it looks like to mount it in front. So now I'm taking the screw off one by one. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm opening up the boots. So here's what it looks like. So the stock suspension mount is laid out vertically next to the motor. As you can see, is the old mount. So I have taken all the screws, both of the screws on each side, so that it can give you a clear look of how I put it on. So yeah, this is the old arm supporting with the joint between the old suspension mount right here and the joint right here, and it pulled right there so that they can use some sort of vertical suspension mount. And what I did, I remove the joints, I take off the old suspensions and mount right here. That is the front bumpers screw mounts on each side. So I take one of these factory screws because this screw is long enough to hold two joints of this front hearse frame and mount it in, because the screw is long enough with that, so that it could pass the frame and mount up with the front bumpers. And I do it on both sides so that you can see that it pulls the front hood frame all the way out, because the suspension is too stiff. It's really hard to get articulation because it has short space to travel. So if you want to loosen it up or soften it, you need to cut some of these spring loads, shorten it so that it can have some space for the suspension to travel both each sides. And you should do that, because if you want to mount it back all the way out to horizontally mount, you can do that back, but you need to adjust the suspension also. So that's pretty much it, and I want to show you guys right here, because I see most people they mount this suspension from right here, and bend the suspension to the um, screw hole that left on the front differential. I think this tune is actually for the chassis clips, something like this. There's something that hold up and let you clip the additional body, plastic body. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like or dislike, it's up to you, and don't forget to subscribe so I can show you how to make this budget LED bar out of USB LED. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.